Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your uh, Genshin Impact app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just click here on settings, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You go down, you just keep going down here. You click here on apps. You come to apps this here, and there you're looking for Genshin Impact app, or just click on search. Then here add Genshin Impact, just click on it. You come to next step here, click here on for stop, you click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache, then all you have to do. So you just go to your Play Store, you click here on your Play Store here, you search, then you search here for Genshin Impact. It's going to show for you like this. You'll find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.